Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on village nature. Village nature is a very unique type of nature. It is very peaceful, refreshing, and relaxing to the mind. It consists of various types of natural concepts and features such as ponds, mango trees, banana trees, mangoes, grass. I recommend everyone to visit a village and experience the amazing nature behind it. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Bye. See you next time. Subscribe for more.